Hey super swing traders, I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand order flow and trade it for income. Let's take a look at Swiss franc versus Japanese yen and see where we can identify supply and demand zones and trade it for income. Alright, let's on the monthly, we have price just been ranging in between this. A month ago it was at this candle and we said we did not want to short because the impulse is just not strong enough, but it is in a bearish sentiment right now. But price dropped down here and it rallied, but it wasn't strong enough to get back to the tested monthly supply zone, so it's dropping again and have this blue EMA line that's acting as resistance currently. I will explain that in a little bit, but it doesn't apply really to this chart yet because price is just moving down. It's moving its way down to this tested monthly demand zone where we can go long again. On the and also the monthly here, there's it has somewhat of a trend line that you can draw between these two peaks. So it is in a clear downtrend on the weekly, clear downtrend with the latest bearish impulse engulfing candle, really strong selling pressure, and it's in a downtrend. Do we want to go long down here? That's the question. Should we draw a demand zone right here and draw using half the candle and draw that as a demand zone? Well, let's find out. Let's take a look at the bigger or the lower time frames. So on the daily, there is demand right here and price is reacting to it, and there is supply right here. So demand right here, supply up here. Can it work? Yes, of course it can work. And same on the 4 hour. You have demand down here. And supply up here. Okay, with a clear downtrend. Alright, so should we go long right here, and right here, or do we want to wait to see what price is doing, or what should we do? Give you 10 seconds to think about it. Alright, my professional opinion is we do not want to go long right here. Less odds of it working because this weekly chart, if you're trading the weekly, daily, 4 hour, this weekly chart is still in a downtrend. This weekly chart is in a downtrend. Daily is mixed right now because it's not down and it's not up, it's just consolidating. So it's consolidating. The 4 hour is in a downtrend, but price is reaching this daily demand zone. So if you are super aggressive, maybe you can manage this trade on the 4 hour at least. You can probably take a long at the 4 hour zone, see if it'll work. But for me personally, I'm not trading. This would be counter trend trade if you are going long right here. If you are going long, this is a counter trend trade because your middle time frame is out of alignment with your higher time frame, and your entry time frame would be valid because this zone is located within your daily demand zone, and your middle time frame, your daily, is out of alignment with your higher time frame. So if you're trading the weekly, daily, 4 hour, going long here does make sense. It does make sense to go to capture a few pips. If you are a monthly, weekly daily trader, you're swing trading on the daily charts, then this is not very strong because monthly is in a downtrend, weekly is in a downtrend. So we're expecting price to break that zone, break this zone right here. Okay, we're expecting price. It may bounce a little bit, but it's gonna go down because your 2 higher time frames are telling you that it's gonna go down. It's gonna go down until it reaches this area of demand where it will bounce a little bit more again. Alright, so just a quick recap. Monthly is in a downtrend, weekly is in a downtrend, daily is consolidating, and 4 hours in a downtrend. So if you're trading the monthly, weekly, daily, monthly downtrend, weekly downtrend, you cannot buy right here because both time frames are in a downtrend, and we're expecting price to break down here. If you are a weekly, daily, 4-hour trader, you're swing trading the 4-hour charts. Weekly is in a downtrend, daily is consolidating, so you can go down long here and maybe just take half the pips and manage your trade wisely. Otherwise, wait for price to drop to this area and price to drop down here, make higher highs, and then buy the pullback. Okay, so that is the analysis on Swiss franc versus Japanese yen. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like it, and subscribe to get notified of more future trading analysis videos and backtesting videos. If you guys haven't seen it, please watch my backtesting video I made yesterday. It is my whole strategy and thought process on how I get into trades, my exact timing on entry and exit and take profit. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and click that little bell icon. That way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.